Hi guys, yeah, just looking at Bitcoin right now on a daily time frame. I'm suspecting that if we was to repeat this similar pattern over here, I'm just going to set some targets for you guys. Okay, so we know that that was the previous high, just there, which is that level there. We'll put a price target in for you, which is 41,872 roughly, which was that previous high just there. Okay, so let's lay out that potentially Bitcoin could dump in a similar sort of pattern to what we've seen here. So this particular dump there, that was the bottom of the dump, and the dump took from the point of dipping from there down to the bottom, it took roughly 17 days. Okay guys, so 17 days for the market from the previous high to dump down to the local bottom before bouncing and consolidating and making the new all-time high. So let's say from this high then we're going to dump exactly the same. So that's the current high up there, and we're going to say what we said, 14 days. So from the point that dipped, we'll go along 14 days. It's just there. So basically we could be looking by the 7th of March just there guys. If we look at the bottom of the chart on there, by the 7th of March we could bottom out on Bitcoin in this dump. Not financial advice, not saying that's definitely going to happen. I'm just saying if we see a repeat performance of the previous dump cycle just there, we dump down, we find support, and that would be at the very bottom. If we bring up the EMA, that should hopefully see the EMA there as it comes up. It creeps up and it bounced. Look how close that is. Well, it's absolutely knob on guys. We absolutely bounced off. We bounced off that EMA just there. You see that? That's the 55 daily moving average on a daily time frame, guys. So we went up, we peaked, we dumped. It took us 2 weeks to bottom out on the bottom of the 55 EMA. So we could potentially see the EMA now creep up, just like we have there. Creep up roughly 14 days, which would be this target here. So yeah, as the EMA creeps up, that's just a potential price target that I'm eyeballing, guys. Okay, so as the EMA, it could just be a repeat pattern of this, or not. It could just bounce now and just go to the moon. But we could see a very similar price action in what we're seeing here, is where we come down. I think we bounce off the 30. If I bring the 30 up, you will see just there, we bounced off the 30 there, we're bouncing off the 30 here, and then we're going to go up. As we went up there, we're going to go up. Okay, not quite break the all-time high, just below it, then come back down, test the CMA, reaccumulation, and bounce, and off we go again, breaking the all-time high. So okay, so let's say it plays out again. When would we be breaking the all-time high again? So we can take that measurement there simply by going from that range there to that range there, and that was in 31 days the previous all-time high was broken. Let's lay out that plan just there again then. So from this high there, 31 days to there, so we could say that we're looking at a new all-time high by the end of March, the 24th of March, guys. So this could potential play a repeat pattern of what's happened here could again happen here. Again, you know, it's just something that we as technical analysts we look at and try to spot the trends and try to spot the patterns. So this, I'm just saying, you know, this is a potential play for Bitcoin over the next coming weeks to a month for Bitcoin in the price action. Just a rinse repeat cycle of what we've seen just here, moving forward, just there. So okay, again guys, not set in stone, not financial advice, it's just a potential price movement on the cards. Again, we broke the all-time high, we've come down, we potentially test the EMA. What would be interesting to see is if we actually do come down, if we bounce off this EMA on the, what date have we said there, after 14 days, and that's the 7th of March. So if we come down and test that on the 7th of March and we bounce, well, we know that, you know, the probability, the odds are in our favour of just repeating this cycle here and breaking the all-time high by the 24th of March, sorry. So we'll bust through 58,345 on Bitcoin and be making new all-times towards the end of March. So just a bit of positivity there, guys. Hopefully this plays out. It'd be lovely, because in the meantime we could be shorting the market down, know where the bottom is, and then just long it and sit in a long and sit pretty. So again, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please smash that like button. Please share this video as well, because if this plays off, this will be absolutely brilliant. Yeah, and please subscribe to the channel if you've not already subscribed. Thanks, guys. Catch you tomorrow.